guys, don't forget to hit the likes, right? Please don't forget to hit the likes if you basically enjoying Send Crypto live stream. Make sure to hit the like so we can get more views and we can get more people notified ASAP. Okay, it doesn't cost you anything, guys. I'm giving you guys the best analysis in the crypto space, so make sure to just give me a favor, hit the likes, okay, or I'm gonna dump BTC. All right, Litecoin and XRP also, and Swipe and all of that good stuff, I'm gonna dump them. Alright guys, welcome back to Send Crypto. In today's content, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, we're going to talk about Ethereum, and I'm going to take a look at some of these alt randomly, and I'm going to take a look at your requests. Okay, so make sure to give me some requests in the comment section, right? Also in the chat room, so we can talk about what you guys want to talk about, and we're going to basically make it a short live stream. Alright guys, it is basically very critical right now. Bitcoin is very bullish. I just gave you guys an amazing guys update regarding DeFi money, Wi-Fi 2, the Twin Towers. Guys, sucker is pumping beautifully. Okay, even before the pump, guys, we've been accumulating 1800, guys. Right now it is 26. So if you want to know how I trade these setups, okay, if you want to know how we do it in our premium, make sure to join our premium group, link in the description, right? You can join the Discord, right? And if you're looking to basically upgrade, you just send me a message, and we basically I'm basically going to give you all the information you need to join Send Premium. It is a bull market, guys. You don't need like a 12 months to make money. You only need, like, guys, maybe 2 to 3 months, guys, to basically wrap it up, and then basically get the best out of this out of the bull market. Okay, so if you take a look at basically our Wi-Fi setup, we basically been very bullish on Wi-Fi over the last few days, right? So and most of the alt, guys, but I'm just gonna give you guys the Wi-Fi setup, right? So you guys know exactly how we play the Wi-Fi setup, right? So right there, okay. So as a Wi-Fi 2, beautiful setup, okay. Even before the breakout, guys, we said a Wi-Fi, we're gonna basically take it to the upside. Beautiful long position, hit our target beautifully, guys. 20 to 25% move. We almost above above target range, right? So that's the type of setup you get with Send Crypto. Not just Wi-Fi, guys. Look at our side, guys. Beautiful move when it was like a 3.5 cents. Okay, we took it all the way up to 4.5 cents and all of that good stuff, right? So another good trade also we just took, right? We're still waiting for our Litecoin breakout up to A180. It is still lagging behind, right? So, and all of that good stuff. So now let's go back to the chart. So now before we talk about alt, let's go ahead and take a look at Bitcoin on the macro scale, right? On a 3-day basis and all of that good stuff, because most people finna get in trouble, because they're gonna be expecting like BTC to go to the moon, $80,000 and all of that good stuff. It might be too soon to talk about Bitcoin $80,000, right? If the chart looks pretty juicy, it looks pretty jullish, it looks pretty hey, thanks a lot for that $50, Jason. Thanks a lot, man. I really appreciate it. Okay, so just let me know which coin you want me to take a look at for you, and I'm gonna do it ASAP for you. All right, so now let's take a look at Bitcoin. I don't want to take a look at Bitcoin on a daily, but we're going to take a look at Bitcoin on a 2-day time frame, guys. What we said regarding Bitcoin on a 2-day basis, guys. Okay, what we said regarding Bitcoin on a 2-day basis. So what we said was, like, guys, as long as we staying above the 2-day 21 EMA, sucker gonna be very bullish. Okay, it could be pumping for ever. Okay, it could be pumping forever. So that's what we're looking for right now. As long as we're staying above it, we're gonna stay bullish. Okay, however, if we break below the 2-day 21, guys, that's pretty easy setup, guys. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to do anything. As long as BTC is above like the 2-day 21 EMA, you just long this sucker and stay in position and not try to short it, right? So what we're looking for right now is, like, we want to see MACD on a 2-day basis, right, to cross bullish. Okay, if MACD crosses bullish on a 2-day basis, guys, we're gonna go to the moon. Okay, we're going to the moon straight. Okay, free ticket. Okay, we're going to the moon if MACD crosses bullish on a 2-day basis. We do not want MACD to cross bullish. If you're bearish, make sure basically to wait till MACD fail to cross bullish, and you basically take your position, your short position and all of that good stuff. If MACD crosses bullish, guys, that's what I'm going to be looking for. Another 1-to-1 extension of the entire move, guys, from 10K, right, all the way up to 40K. That's 30,000 point, right? So if we're going to be looking for an extension of that move to the upside, 1-to-1 extension on a log scale, guys, on a log scale, we're going to be looking for, guys, 1-to-1 extension might be too overextended, right, guys? We're just going to take a look at 618. Okay, 618 extension right there, going to be 100K. Okay, 50% extension going to be just about 80K. So we're going to be looking for this move, right? Remember, guys, last time we crossed bullish after a big correction, we pumped 30,000 points. Okay, 30,000 points right here. Okay, and right there. Okay, so if we're going to be resetting the we're going to reset the the momentum, we're most likely going to get a fresh momentum all the way up to 80 to 100K, guys. But it's not going to be that easy. Okay, it's not going to be that easy. So now let's take a look at the bearish setup. All right, the bearish setup, it is still bullish, guys. So I don't see anything bearish right now, but we just have to talk about it, right? The bearish setup is like, if we get rejected right there, okay, it is still going to be okay, right? We could still make this move to the downside, retest the 30K before pumping to the upside. You guys remember this pattern right here, right? It is the same pattern we got right there at 20K, and that's what we did. We played it to the upside. It is still going to give us the same target range. It will just correct in time. Okay, the only difference is like it is going to correct sideways for another 30 to 60 days before the next move to the upside. So kind of like what we got right here. Okay, the sideways correction we got right there before the move to the upside. The sideways correction we got right here before the move to the upside. Okay, if you take a look at it right here, was May 8th, right? On Saturday, we dumped like almost like from like 10K all the way down to like 8K range. Okay, and then we move sideways till July. Okay, so 2 months we could be repeating a similar structure. So you just have to be very cautious. Just because price action might be moving sideways in this range, it won't mean like we bearish. Okay, it means like BTC is going to be correcting. We just don't know right now. We don't want to speculate too much. So if you want to know how I'm going to be trading it, guys, what type of structure I'm going to be anticipating in this range, is it going to be a triangular formation? Is it going to be a flat correction? We don't know. Okay, if you want to know how I'm going to be trading it, make sure to join my premium group so you can take advantage of the next big move up to 80K, or the move down to even like 25 or even like 20K. It doesn't matter, guys. We're going to trade the market. If it goes up, we're going to trade it. If it drops, we're going to trade it. Okay, it really doesn't matter. But my personal bias right now, it is bullish. Okay, it is bullish because my strategy is telling me stay bullish as long as we're above the 2-day 21 EMA. That's pretty simple. You don't have to do anything. Just long the sucker, stay bullish, and if it doesn't work, you just get out. Bang, easy. Okay, bang, easy. All right, guys, so let's go ahead and take a look at basically the 3-day time frame. So the 3-day time frame, if you take a look at it right now, it is looking to cross bullish, and that's not good at all for the bears, right? If the 3-day time frame crosses bullish before the 2-day time frame, that's very, very aggressive. Okay, that will be very, very, very aggressive. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind. So if we cross this bullish, that might basically indicate we could potentially be going much higher to above 45, 50K and all of that good stuff. All right, so now let's go ahead and take a look at the 7 days candle, right? So the 7-day candle right there just opened, like, guys, on the 5th. What I told you about the 7-day candle is like, it is very, very accurate. Okay, it is one of the most accurate time frame when you take a look at BTC. So that's why we were so bullish, right? When BTC was right here, just about 29.3, what we said was like, guys, we're going to take it to the upside. We're going to take it to the upside, and we're going to be looking for 38.6. We did retest 38.6 with that Elon Musk pump and all of that good stuff, but that was our target. And we did not try to short this sucker. We said we have to wait till we break the 2-day 21 EMA. Otherwise, you could be facing like some tough time to basically trying to short this sucker. Okay, so very, very bullish setup right now. Okay, so let's just keep that in mind, right? So now let's take a look at the 21-day chart. Okay, the 21-day candle, what we said regarding BTC was like, what we said regarding BTC is like, most people are going to be like, oh man, we're dropping, we're going to go down to 25, we're going to go down to like 22 and all of that good stuff. Sen Crypto said, be cautious. 30K, we're not going to break it that easy. We're not going to break it that easy. Why, guys? The macro scale is so bullish. Okay, it is so bullish, guys. Even if you close your eyes, okay, and buy at any particular time, you're going to make profits. That's how crazy BTC is right now. Crazily bullish. Okay, so 3-day, the 3 weeks chart is saying we do not want to break what, guys? I told you even before we started this candle, I said anything below 30K, it is a buy, guys, on the macro scale. Anything below 30K is a buy. Okay, so now let's take a look at it on the 50-day candle. The 50-day candle, guys, bang. What I told you, we're not going to close this candle red. We're not going to close this candle red. Okay, this candle going to close on the 19th, February 19th, right? Bang. Okay, price came all the way down to like 28.8, guys. What we said, we long this sucker, guys. Right there, it came back down, we long this sucker. It came back down, we long this sucker, because we knew, guys, on the 50-day cycle, if BTC closes below 28, okay, 28K, it is most likely the end of the bear market. That's it, before February 19th. That's pretty easy, guys. That's pretty easy. Okay, within the next 9 days, okay, we're not going to break below 28. If we do, bang, bear market time, guys. Hey, what's up, KP? What's up, KP? Thanks a lot for tuning in. So I told you guys, I'm giving you the best analysis in crypto. Okay, everyone else screaming bear market, 24, 25, 28, 22, and all of that good stuff. I told you guys, don't fall for that. Okay, don't fall for that. You don't want to see a bullish Sen Crypto, because when I'm very bullish, guys, I get hyped, and I'm gonna give you the best analysis. Okay, one of the best analysis, right? So, and that's what I did exactly. I told you guys, don't be bearish. Okay, long this sucker right here, long this sucker right here, long this sucker right here. Don't let it drop. Don't let it drop. Don't let it drop. We're gonna take it to the upside. So now what we want to see is like, can we get a full body candle within this 50-day cycle? I mean, on this 50-day cycle, that's possible, right? But anything, even if we close above 34, 35, that's going to be great. Okay, even if we close at 33, that's going to be great. Why? Because we're going to leave a wick to the upside. And one thing I told you about these wicks, right? Let's say we get a body candle like this, right? Candle closes just like that, right? KP, remember this strategy, right? Remember last year when BTC left the a big wick to the upside, just about like 11.5, 12K range, right? What I said, we're gonna retest it, right? So let's say we close just about like 31, 32. It is gonna be okay, right? Because we're gonna know like what type of setup we're gonna be looking at within the next 50-day cycle, right? Because we know exactly we're gonna be going back up. Okay, we're gonna be going back up because candle gonna open like when February 19th. So any dips after that, we're just gonna buy it because we know we're gonna be going back up at least 50% of the body candle. That's it. That's it, guys. That's the best strategy right there. Best strategy right there. Okay, so 50-day cycle, very, very bullish. All right, So quarterly cycle, we don't need to talk about it, right? Because it is too soon. I don't think that we're gonna close below 30K this quarter. So any dips got to get bought up, all right? So now let's go ahead and take a look at Ethereum. Are we going above are we gonna pump above a 2K for, you know, regarding Ethereum? That's very possible, right? So Ethereum, we're gonna do it inversely, right? So we're gonna start off with the 50-day cycle, right, for Ethereum. So Ethereum, when you take a look at Ethereum on the 50 days, on a quarterly, I don't need to talk about it, right? But on a 50-day cycle for Ethereum, right, closing above just about like 950, right? That's all we need. Okay, Ethereum, we just need to close above 950. That's it. And it is gonna come from like a macro bull market for Ethereum, potentially above 10K. Okay, above 10K. So you take a look at Ethereum right here. So volume decreasing, okay, right there, but price is increasing. So you could be saying like, oh, we're gonna be bearish and all of that good stuff, right? But remember BTC, right? Back in 2019, if you played it well, right? When I was so bullish on BTC, I'm gonna show you on a weekly basis BTC, right? Right here. On a weekly basis. Let's take a look at on the 7 days, right? So if you take a look at BTC on back then, right here, guys, remember what happened, right? What happened right here? Price is what? Price was decreasing, right? Most people were bearish. What I said, guys, volume moves in segments, okay? It doesn't move like linearly. What I mean by that, it means like you cannot look at like a small segment, right, of the volume right here and you're like, oh, we're gonna be dropping. No, you can't do it like that, right? So what I said was like, volume is decreasing right here, price is increasing, we're gonna get a very big volume right there, guys. Go back and watch my live stream just about like, you know, March 17th 2019, March 23rd. Man, I'm giving you dates, live stream and all of that good stuff, man. So I said like, we're gonna get a big volume right here to break the trend, okay? And after that, we're gonna get another small volume. That small volume just going to be what? Correction. And after that, we're gonna get big volume. So volume over time gonna increase, right? But it's not gonna be increasing like, you know, in your small time frame. You're not gonna see. You're just gonna be seeing like some big spike to the upside, right? So if you take a look at Ethereum, what's going on right here is like right now, not Ethereum but BTC, right? What's going on right now, right, is you can see like the big spike to the upside, right? That's how you look at it over time. So it means like at some point right here, we're gonna get another big volume right here, guys. That could be the end of the bull market, right? So that's how you look at volume, okay? You can see like right there, volume was decreasing, price was increasing. All of a sudden, bang, okay, bang, 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 bang. All right, that's how you look at the volume, okay? Don't look at like a small time frame, 1 month and all of that good stuff, and you're saying like, oh, we're gonna be dumping. We're not dumping, okay? I'm very bullish, man, until we break below the 2-day 21 EMA. So if we go back to Ethereum, you can see like on the you can see right here Ethereum Poloniex. So you can see like right there on the 50-day cycle, even though like Poloniex doesn't have like a, you know, a good volume and all of that good stuff, but we can still use it, right? What happened right here was like we've been moving sideways, right? Low volume, price action, been pumping. All of a sudden we're starting a new trend, bang. So after the if we break above this range and close above it, we already broke it, but let's say we close above it, we could get like small volume right here, you know, and price going to be moving sideways again right here. That's possible. And all of a sudden we're going to get another 50-day big volume all the way up to basically 10K and so on, right? Ethereum is very, very bullish. I wouldn't be selling Ethereum right now, not financial advice, but I wouldn't be selling Ethereum right now, okay? Very, very bullish. So let's take a look at Ethereum on a 7-day basis. So on a 7 days basis, guys, Ethereum, it is looking nice, right? A new candle, okay? new all-time high above resistance right there. So I don't see anything crazy. Okay, any dips right here, we got the weekly 21 EMA just about like 900. So I don't see anything crazy, man. Everything looks great. Let's take a look at the 3-day basis. Bang. Okay, what we said regarding Ethereum in my premium, right? We said if we close above this range on a 3-day basis, so we talked about like on the 31st, right? We said if we close above this range, that's it. Okay, Ether is going to the moon, and target was what? 1618, guys. 1618 to 1725. So we already hit our target. Bang. So Ether pretty Julish. Okay, very Julish. Nice, Jerome. Okay, I mean, we bullish on we bullish on BNB, so we long BNB anyway after we got the breakout above like $50. So we got a target up to like a 65. So on the 3-day basis, I don't see anything crazy. It could potentially drop later on and retest the 1350. So just be cautious. So if you want to know how I'm going to be playing it, make sure to join my premium group and all of that, so you know exactly what to look for. 3-day 21 EMA right there. So Ether is very strong, guys. Any dips right here, it got a nice support. You take a look at the 2-day basis, big breakout. Okay, big breakout above like a 1380, guys. 1393, major resistance, guys. So that's why it is so important to pay attention to your 2-day time frame and 3-day time frame. When these suckers break out, okay, on a 2-day basis and 3-day basis, okay, any dips after that, it is just going to be bullish. Okay, any dips after that, it is just going to be bullish. Hey, what's up, Mr. Lee? So I'm gonna update you guys in my premium and all of that good stuff. So you guys know exactly what we've been looking for. So we're just gonna give it time to consolidate. It is still a hold, right? But we're gonna take a look at it later on. Give it time to digest the move, because it is gonna pull back at some point, right? So I would just hold, right, and put a stop loss and not trying to short this sucker. It's not time to short Ether. It is not time, guys. When it's time to short, we're gonna short this sucker all the way down to the bottom. Okay, but now it is time to basically look up, not time to be looking down. Okay, we've been looking down for Ether so many times right here, guys. When it was time to short Ether, we did the right thing. Okay, we did the right thing. When Ether was right here, okay, 350, what we said, we're gonna drop it all the way down to $100. When Ether was right here, what we said, we're gonna drop it again all the way down to $100. All right, so when it was right here, we said we're gonna drop it. It broke out. We said let's take it to the moon, right? So but it is not time to be focusing on like shorting and all of that good stuff. It is time to just go with the trend. Yes, can Ether drop 20%? Yes. Are you gonna miss a short opportunity? Yes, but it is not the end of the world. Okay, you've been long in it. We've been long in Ether since like 320, okay, 380, and all the way up to basically 1700. We haven't basically tried to short Ether at all. Okay, we haven't missed any Ether trades, none, zero, since like October, guys. So thought on Zilliqa. So let's go ahead and take a look at Ether on a 6-hour basis. So Ether on a 6-hour basis, we're gonna get a nice support. Any drops right now, we got the 6-hour 21 EMA potential support 1540, 1544. That's going to be our immediate support right here. Okay, that could give us a flat correction on the 4-hour basis, right? So where you're gonna get this move, okay? So be cautious with this move. So we got a potential flat correction. So if you want to know how I'm gonna trade it, make sure to join the premium group, so you can basically get access to the next beautiful setup for Ethereum. All right. Short Ether is FUD. Don't short this sucker, man. Don't short this sucker, man. Are you saying CRV will be 2,500? I mean, if you want to know how I'm going to be trading CRV, guys, I already gave you CRV. Okay, when it was like 30 cents, 40 cents, guys. Right now it is $3. So if you want to know how I'm going to be trading, okay, CRV, what type of support I'm going to be looking for over the next like a few days, what type of target I'm going to be looking for over the next few days, join the premium group CRV. Okay, if you watch more analysis, you're already 10x your CRV. 10x, guys, 10x. Okay, we talked about CRV when it was like 33. Okay, I got got the setup and everything in my premium. Okay, no one was talking about CRV but Send Crypto. Okay, but Send Crypto, guys. So hit the likes, guys, hit the likes. Hello, Crypto Maniac. Hey, what's up, Crypto Crackhead? So let's go ahead and take a look at your request, right? Let me take a look at Jason. I think Jason like ADA, so Jason. So let's go ahead and take a look at ADA for Jason. So ADA, basically we're gonna take a look at ADA BTC, right? ADA BTC hit our premium target beautifully at 1400, guys. Man, welcome back to Send Crypto, guys. That's how Send Crypto does it. Okay, we nail our target. Okay, so target for ADA USD was like what, 44, okay, to 46. However, guys, that's why it is so important to understand what you're doing. You can lose money in the bear market, but you can lose more money in the bull market. Why is that? Because most people don't know at what price level they're going to be selling or what price level they're going to be buying. Okay, so for instance, right here, when ADA was like 35 cents, okay, we said we're going to long ADA. Okay, we're going to long it all the way up to 46 to 44. However, guys, after we hit 46 to 44, we did not close our position. What we said was like, guys, take a look at it. We're going to flip back, okay, to ADA BTC. Why? Because ADA BTC, it is still bullish and we can basically take it all the way up to 1400. So I said, guys, we got another potential, 15, 20, 30% move from ADA. So we're just going to, sit tight, relax, and enjoy the ride. That's why we basically waited right now till ADA hit like almost like, 55 cents and basically waited for the ADA BTC to hit basically 1400, right, to close the position. All right, so it is very, very important. Some people are going to be losing money in the bull market. I'm telling you guys, most people are going to be losing money in the bull market. Okay, so it's something to basically keep in mind. Okay, so if you want to know how I'm going to be trading ADA, right, the next trade setup, make sure to join the premium group so you can get these trade setups. Okay, beautiful Atom setups. Okay, Atom, bang, guys. I told you Atom gonna hit $13, guys, when it was what, $4, guys, $4. Only Send Crypto, guys, only Send Crypto. 168% move. Yeah, so Atom, it is a very, very bullish. It could pump all the way up potentially to to resistance, right? So support, it is still going to be $6 to $7, right? So let me take a look at your request again. XLM, it is moving sideways, right? We got a trade set up for XLM. Let's do this. Hey, what's up, Jerome? If you want to know how I'm going to be trading ADA, BTC, and all of that, join the public Telegram group. If you want to upgrade to my premium group, you can get all the trade setups. Let's take a look at XLM right now. So XLM USD, it is at resistance. We do have a trade setup, beautiful trade setup, right? For XLM USD, support is right here, right now it is at resistance, right? So if it breaks it, it's gonna be looking very juicy, right? If it drops to the downside, you got your support level right there again. Okay, so just keep an eye on the resistance level right there. Okay, and support level just about like a 23. Zilliqa, let's take a look at Zilliqa. So Zilliqa, it is also at resistance, right? It is also at resistance, so would just be cautious in this range, right there. You already broke your pattern, so it could be very choppy in this range. Okay, support, it is still going to be right here. Okay, next resistance level to look for, almost like 9 cents. Okay, so could get this flat correction right there, small right there, right to the upside. If not, we could drop all the way down. Okay, but we do have a I do have a Zilliqa setup, in our premium. So actually it's not yet in the premium, I just got the setup but waiting for confirmation, right? QDM still in play. We do have a QDM setup also. It is a bullish setup, so that's something to remember. It is not a bearish setup. So QDM 36, right, could potentially retest the top right there or even break it, but we'll wait and see how basically you know, wave going to be performing, because QDM and waves, they you know, they move together. QDM, waves, and basically or Emrergency. Okay, so we'll see how Emrergency will be performing. But support level right here, so if we break it, we got another support right there. Resistance is right there. Okay, XTZ finally breaking out. We just got, like, I just updated my premium group regarding XTZ. We're very bullish on it. Okay, so if you want to get that macro, okay, XTZ, okay, take $1,000 and basically pump it all the way up to $100,000. Join the premium group so you can get those targets, right? So let's take a look at XTZ. So Wi-Fi, it is still looking very, very juicy. You know, 2450, guys. Our Wi-Fi setup, we're killing it, guys. We're killing it, guys. We're killing it, guys. I think that's a setup I told you, like, on my other, you know, on my basically my last live stream, right? So bang, okay, bang, okay, we can pump it all the way up to all-time high, right? But if you haven't watched my recent, you know, live stream, make sure to go ahead and watch it so you can understand exactly what we're looking for, right? But you know, it is still very, 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 very juicy, right? Very juicy. So Tezos, let's take a look at Tezos. So Tezos, we do have a upside target, right? You know, we do have a upside target, very jullish, but it is at resistance. So let's see how we're going to be breaking above this area. Okay, if we break it, definitely we could be looking for higher prices. Support level to look for, it is still going to be this trend line. Okay, so once again, if you're looking to you know, get these setups, join the public Telegram group and all of that good stuff. All right. I mean, if Binance is liquidate, if Binance is, if you get liquidated, it is because your leverage is high, right? You gotta keep it 2, man, 2 or 3 at the most, guys. I mean, if you know what you're doing, you can go up to 4, but I don't even recommend like doing anything higher than 3. Okay, I think anything higher than 3 in this market right now, it is crazy. I mean, market is extremely bullish, so you just gotta be cautious, right? Just gotta be cautious. let's see, let's go back to Wi-Fi. All right, so Wi-Fi looking pretty juicy. Okay, we entered just from our premium group, right? We almost like what, 1800 right there, guys. 1900, bang, we like 40% pump it, 40%. And the structure, it is still very, very bullish. So something to keep in mind, right? Yeah, I mean, just keep it at 2. I think like 8 is pretty high, and you know, 8 is pretty high unless you know exactly what you're doing. Anything higher than 3, guys, it is just pretty risky, because market can drop 25% like you know within the next few hours, right? So just keep that in mind. Make sure to take some profits, and you know, and be cautious. You know, if you're in profit, take some, put a stop loss, and let market do the work. So TRB, it is one of our top coins. We talked about it when TRB was right here. So it is still pretty bullish. I already gave you guys already, you know, great analysis regarding TRB. So you know exactly what to look for, right? Yeah, gotta look. If you got a target up to like, you know, if you got a 25% target, no need to be doing like high leverage, you know. I think like 25% target, if you do 2x, that's 50% gain nearly or higher, and that can take you a long way. So OMG, one of our target, also beautiful setup. This sucker gonna pump so hard, man. It's gonna go crazy, man. It's gonna go crazy. Beautiful setup right here. Okay, beautiful setup. Okay, support level right here. Okay, again, so if you want to know how we're trading it right now in our premium, right, if we're gonna be you know, looking for support right here, or if you're gonna be looking for support, or we're gonna pump it to the upside, you know, you can definitely join the premium group. But it is bullish right now. Resistance up to like a 6.5. Neo, it is still struggling to break out, but it is most likely going to get the breakout. Did not get the bearish crossover on the 2-day basis. Price action above the 2-day 21 EMA, so most likely going to be pushing higher. Yeah, time to play safe, Mr. Washington. Alright guys, I'm just gonna call it a day. I just wanted to give you guys a quick update. I already answered all your questions, right? Make sure to subscribe, hit the likes, share the content, right? And all of that good stuff, alright? Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching.